Alright, well Shelly's moving out here, so I gotta make the cabin bigger. So Booth sent his boy out here with this mini excavator. I gotta level all that area out before I can put an addition on. There's a couple big stumps too in the way. And while he's out here, I'm gonna get rid of these stumps over here. Maybe a few more back down there in the woods. But yeah, he came right over with this thing. He's only a few miles away, so it worked out pretty good. This guy doesn't mess around, he knows what he's doing. Alright, that's what we're doing. Yeah, the ground's real high back there behind the cabin. If I go to extend it, there's no way that would work. This guy really knows what he's doing. So he's been working on this like a half an hour, he's almost done. He's just going to push everything down. There's a real low spot in the yard there. I'm going to leave that dirt and all the rest is going to get burned. That's going to help out a lot. We doing nub? Yeah, I never knew these little Tracos got so much work done. I always saw that they were too small to really do too much, but that thing kicks ass. And I'm gonna have a bunch of dirt to fill in low spots after this too. That's gonna be cool. Have to get my cousin's tractor right here again. Fill on them low spots. It's pretty cool. Alright, the guy just left. Ripped out some trees right here. Bunch of stumps. So I'll be able to do the addition on the cabin. I gotta get a concrete truck out here. I gotta do some footers for the addition. And then make a concrete pad over there for the water storage building. So I got a big pile I gotta burn down there. I'm gonna let that dry out for a little while and burn it in my fire pit, and then I got a bunch of topsoil here. And then he also ripped out some stumps down here. He did a pretty good job of that without destroying the whole yard, which I was pretty impressed with. That was really good. So got rid of all them stumps, which was good. We doing nub. Alright, I just figured I'd show you what we're doing. Like I said, Shelly's moving out here. The cabin's too small for one person. So we're going to go ahead and add on to it. And this is just phase one. I'll level this ground out and sink it down some so I can put some concrete down here. I won't have to deal with blocks like I did with the cabin. Some nice solid concrete to deal with. Alright, I figured I'd show everyone what's going on out here out in northwest Tennessee.